It was 11:48. I stared at my to-do list. 7 things. You know how many I had completed? 1. It wasn't even the most important one. I had spent the entire day feeling busy and now I felt like a failure again. But here's what's worse. This wasn't the first time this happened every single day. Why does this keep happening? We tell ourselves we just need more discipline. We need to wake up earlier, stop wasting time, but maybe we're solving the wrong problem. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt productive just by writing the list? You write, study, finish homework, revise, work out, clean room, call someone, complicate notes, and it feels like you've already done something. You get that little dopamine hit. You're ready to conquer the world, but then you open YouTube for just one video, or you check your phone because you need to take a break, and you start with the easiest task and convince yourself that you are being productive. Before you know it, the sun's down and your to-do list still there laughing at you. Here's the truth. Most to-do lists are not lists, they're wish lists. They're unrealistic, they're vague, they're built to make you feel like a superhero in the morning and a failure by the night. And they are addictive because every time we fail to complete them, we say the same thing. I'll do better tomorrow. I just had a bad day. I'll wake up early, and tomorrow becomes a trap because it's not a fresh start. It's yesterday's guilt with a new date. So let's break this down. There are 3 lies that keeps you trapped in this cycle. Lie 1. More tasks equals to more productivity. No. More tasks just mean more pressure. It's like stuffing your backpack with 15 books and expecting to run a marathon. You won't go faster. You'll break. Lie 2. I'll do everything today. That's the perfectionist trap. It's what makes you delay starting because you know deep down you can't finish it all. So your brain protects you by procrastinating. Lie 3. I just need motivation. Let me tell you something that might sting a little. Motivation is not your problem. Clarity is. If your to-do list says study, what does that even mean? Is it read a chapter, solve 10 questions, take notes? Your brain hates uncertainty. If your task is foggy, your actions will be foggy too. Now, let me tell you a quick story. There was a student, maybe like you, who struggled every single day to finish his to-do list until one day he did something different. He didn't write 10 tasks, he wrote 3, but with one rule. Each task had to pass the idiot test, meaning if you gave that task to a tired, lazy, distracted version of yourself, would you still know exactly what to do? Instead of revise chapter 5, he wrote, summarize chapter 5 into one-page notes by 4 pm. Instead of study math, he wrote, solve 5 trigonometry problems from past paper by 9 am. That's when something shifted because now he wasn't deciding what to do while doing it. He had already decided. That tiny shift saved him hours of mental fatigue. It wasn't about the hustle, it was about the clarity. Here's the method that changed everything. I call it the 3D method. Dump, drill, decide. Step 1. Dump everything in your head onto paper. Not just tasks, thoughts, worries, random things you need to do. Clear the fog. Step 2. Drill down. Every vague task becomes concrete. Study becomes solve 5 questions. Workout becomes do 15 push-ups and 10 minutes jog. If it's not clear enough for a lazy version of yourself to understand, it's not drilled down enough. Step 3. Decide your 3 priorities. Not 10, not 7, just 3. Ask, if I finish only these 3 things, will I feel proud today? That's your list. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try to do too much too vaguely and the brain short circuits. It's not a motivation issue, it's an overload issue. If you want to finish your to-do list, stop making it a battlefield. Make it a strategy. You don't need a bigger sword, you need better map. You'll finish not just your list but the habit of failure that's been hiding behind it all along.